Ka National People's Party haba ai Jingkyrshan ya ka Sorkar MDA 2.0 na ka benta ka rai bagala shim Halor ban Pyntreikam ya ka roster ka lapan pau baka roster ya ka ba on sa Pyntreikam ka long ban ai Jingada ya baro ke jaj ban riu luom jong ka Jylla. Abakran siya kinong patay kubor Menteri Sorkar iba longru inong ilam ke NPP kong amprin lingdo ilaong baka jingpaidian haga jing Pyntreikam ka roster kan mi na ba baro kitnat haga Jylla Meghalaya haga sian ka baningkong ken Pyntreikam ya ka roster nang ne syakmat. Abakran Halor ka jing mi no jong ka seng VPP na ka jingelang jong baro ki seng sain perthai Presiden ke NPP uba WR Kaluki ulaong baka reservation policy jong ka senam ka kandai spa nyo puar la Pyntreikam hapo ka artikel khan riu ka clause sau ka bakadau syai ba ka jing thungkam ka long Halor ka nongrem ban kentiu ya ki brie ka beduna ha ka yok ka kon ba ha ka em lang ka sa lang.
Decision about prospective application of the roster is already very clear because the state of Meghalaya does not have a uniform data of implementation of roster across all 9 departments in the state of Meghalaya.
Time, with due respect as politician, when we became politician, we thought that we knew everything. We started defining the constitution in our own ways. That's why I put this question today. Article 16, clause 4 say like this. But where did the constitution did ever mention that reservation will be on the basis of population? I want an answer, but nobody answered.